Are you tired of elbow pain holding you back? Discover the CAMBIVO elbow support, designed to provide instant stability and rapid relief from tennis elbow, golfer's elbow tendonitis and strain. Made with breathable, moisture-wicking fabric and dual stabilizers, it offers all-day comfort without restricting movement. Perfect for sports, work, or gardening, this support helps you stay active and pain-free. Measure your arm for the perfect fit and enjoy peace of mind with 2-year warranty. You'll find purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Stay safe and have fun with Forzueby safety gear. Designed for all ages from children to adults, these protective pads offer durable impact protection with a breathable, lightweight design. Adjustable straps and secure Velcro ensure a perfect fit so you can move freely during roller skating, skateboarding, cycling and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, Forzueby safety gear keeps you protected and comfortable every step of the way. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Introducing the BOSONER Kid Safety Gear, the ultimate protective equipment designed to keep children safe during active play and sports. Featuring adjustable elastic straps for a secure fit and thickened, lightweight and breathable EVA foam for maximum comfort and protection. Perfect as a gift for Children's Day, birthdays or Christmas. It's ideal for toddlers, boys and girls who love outdoor adventures. Give your kids peace of mind with BOSONER Kids gear today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing BOSONER Kids pads, the ultimate protective gear designed for active little adventurers. These multifunctional knee, elbow and wrist guards are perfect for ice skating, rollerblading, biking, skateboarding and more. Comfortable and lightweight, they feature adjustable elastic straps and breathable foam for a secure fit and cool comfort. Whether for a birthday or holiday gift, BOSONER Kids pads keep kids safe while having fun. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to help tired toddlers get home after scooter fun? Check out the Micro Eco Pull and Carry. Made with recycled plastics, it is the United Kingdom's first carbon-neutral scooter accessory, blending eco-friendliness with practicality. This versatile strap, measuring 83 centimeters in length, doubles as carry strap for mini and maxi scooters, making it perfect for children aged 3 years and older. Make scooting more enjoyable and less tiring today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get ready for your child's outdoor adventures with Rundong Kids Gear. This 6-piece set includes knee pads, elbow pads and wrist guards designed for children aged 3 to 15, made with durable impact-resistant materials. These protective pads ensure safety during skating, cycling, BMX biking and other extreme sports. The breathable, comfortable liner keeps kids cool while adjustable straps guarantee a perfect fit, perfect for active kids who love to explore. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Rundong Kids Gear, the ultimate 6-in-1 protective set designed for children ages 3 to 15. This friendly, lightweight gear includes knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards made from soft, breathable, and shockproof materials. Adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit, keeping your little adventurers safe during skating, biking, skateboarding, and more. Bright colors and durable design inspire confidence and fun outdoors. Keep you protected and active with Rundong Kids Gear. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.